Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up two-factor authentication on the Kraken Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Kraken Wallet app on your device. And after logging in using your credentials, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on Security. Now within the security page, you will see the two-factor authentication section. You can either use an authenticator app or your passkey. Tap on either one of these options and then tap on Add Passkey. Now you have the option to choose a security key, a different phone or device, as well as the same device that you are using to confirm it as your passkey. You can use either one of these options, and after providing your biometric verification, your passkey will successfully be created. After this point, every time you log into your account from a different device, you will need to confirm the login from the device that you have just added as your passkey. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up two-factor authentication on the Kraken crypto trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.